Tabong. It's been a long time.
Yeah, it's been a long time.
Yeah, so have you been?
Yeah, I've I had a business trip to Germany last week.
Ah,
Yeah, to join the another exhibition. So
I
yeah,
see.
that's why I couldn't join the classes.
Oh, I see. How was your business trip?
It was good, even though it was very tired. But I really liked the food in Germany, and then the street and all the buildings were really
Mm-hmm.
good. So have
Mm-hmm.
you heard about the some kind of German food, Haxen, or yeah, it's a pig pig food. Uh,
Bigfoot?
I mean the made of pig's foot.
Oh,
Yeah,
no.
actually they fried the pig's foot
Mm-hmm.
and they call it Haxen,
Uh-huh.
and the skin of the pig foot was very crispy, and the inside of that,
Oh.
the fresh part was really juicy.
Wow, nice.
Yeah,
Oh, suddenly I'm hungry.
yes, yeah. So am I. And
Ah, I
also, I really
see.
like the beer. Yeah,
Mhm.
house beer in almost all the German restaurant had their own house beer.
Ah, I see. House
Yeah,
beer.
yeah, they was also
Right.
really good.
Mm-hmm. Yes. Oh, I see. I got it now.
Mm.
Ah, that beer is really good. Better than beers in Korea.
Yes, I think so. It's
Ah, I
much
see.
more flavor, and then also it uh, mm, some sparkling so was more yeah
Mm-hmm.
stronger than Korea's.
Beer. Ah, I see. Also, the food is really good
Yeah.
in Germany. Right. Oh, that's why it's the best. One of the best,
That's
right?
right. Yeah.
Yes. Oh, okay. Well, at least you were able to enjoy it. When did you go back to Korea?
Actually, last Saturday.
Last
Yeah.
Saturday. Right. Yeah. What did you bring home for your family?
I brought some cosmetics and chocolate and jellies.
A
Also,
chocolate.
yeah, in Germany, the chocolate named Milka, and then jelly named Har- Hariba,
Haribo. Hariba?
Haribo. Oh, you know Haribo?
I think that's from Japan, no?
No, it's from
Ah,
German,
Germany. Ah,
Germany. So
Haribo.
it's
Mm.
very. There are lots of Haribo uh, stuff. Yeah, all the
Mm.
different flavor and then textures of jellies.
I see.
I
Okay.
lots of Haribo for my kids.
Mm-hmm. Wow, right. Maybe they love it,
Yes,
right?
I hope so.
I see. Okay, right. At least.
Mm.
Al, do you have anything else to share with me?
Yeah, that's all. And
That's
anyway,
all.
I have another business trip next week to
Oh,
Vietnam.
Vietnam.
Yeah,
Oh, for how many days are you going to stay there?
7 days. I will leave on Wednesday uh, to Tuesday.
I see. Okay, right. Oh, wow, you had series of business trip these days.
Yes, right.
Right. Yes. Oh, have a safe trip.
Okay, thank you.
Yes. Okay. Any
Yeah,
more?
yeah, that's all.
Okay. Have you prepared an article for today's class?
Yeah,
What is the article?
the number 859.
859. Ah, the new bandage?
Yeah, new bandage.
Could you please tell me something about this?
Okay. Northwestern University researchers have developed a new bandage they say is easier to put on and take off. It also enhances the body's ability to heal. Getting blisters from breaking a new pair of shoes is not a big deal for many, but a person with diabetes could pay a much bigger price. Something as benign as a blister can easily become infected, eventually requiring surgery or multiple treatments. And its potential worse, an amputation could be required. Researchers at Northwestern University in Illinois have developed a new device that they hope will not only expedite the healing speed of wound for diabetes patients, but also prevent the need for infection-based operations altogether.
Mm-hmm.
During head-to-head tests, Northwestern's bandage healed diabetes wounds 33% faster than one of the most popular bandages currently on the market,
Mm-hmm.
explains a recent press release. The bandage device uses the body's own healing ability without drugs or other pharmaceutical products. Researchers hope this means it will make it its way through the U.S. Food and Drug Administration (FDA) approval process more quickly. The novelty is that we identified a segment of a protein in skin that is important to wound healing, explains Guillermo Amir, leader of the study from Northwestern.
Mm-hmm.
Northwestern medical engineers and research team were able to incorporate this particular protein into an antioxidant molecule that essentially turns itself on, at body temperature, enabling the body's ability to rebuild its own tissue and thus heal more quickly.
Mm-hmm.
Then first applied, the bandage is actually in liquid form.
Oh.
It's applied directly to the wound, where it quickly solidifies into a gel as it reaches body temperature. This rapid liquid to gel process means the bandage can embrace the injury in the exact shape of the wound. Sure.
Mm-hmm. Right. I see. So it's like a liquid to
Yeah.
gel.
Yes, right.
Right. And you apply it directly. Oh,
Yeah.
interesting. Any questions about the vocabulary?
No question. Everything is okay.
Okay, then let's move on. What did Northwestern University develop?
Northwestern University have developed a new bandage they say is easier to put on and take off. It
Mm-hmm.
also enhances the body's ability to heal.
Mm-hmm. Right. And what can happen to a diabetic if he has blisters?
Mm, and if blister can easily become infected, eventually requiring surgery or multiple treatments, and its potential worse, an amputation could be required.
Mm-hmm. Right. I see. And what will happen to the bandage when applied to the wound?
Mm, when first applied, the bandage is actually in liquid form. It's applied directly to the wound where it quickly solidifies into a gel as it reaches body temperature. This rapid liquid to gel process means the bandage can embrace the injury in the exact shape of the wound. also actually it helps enhance the skins skins re uh, skins healing ability. It
Mm-hmm.
enhances body's own healing ability.
Right. Okay. And do you think this invention is helpful?
Oh yes, I think so. Because
Mm-hmm.
if you use this kind of bandage and also it works as this article, then
Mm-hmm.
it will cure lots of patients more quickly and safely without
Mm-hmm.
um, without any side effect or complications.
Right. Yes, you're very correct. Yes. And would you like to try this invention as well?
Oh, yes, right. Sometimes when I use some bandage, plastic
Mm-hmm.
bandage or something like that on my wound, then it could easily wet, and then it could also make some kind of infection. Well,
Mm-hmm.
also sometimes it's very annoying when you put the bandages on your wound area. But if you
Mm-hmm.
use this kind of liquid to gel type wound healing bandage, then
Mm-hmm.
you can use your body, yeah, very easily.
Mm-hmm. Right. I see. Yes, actually, yeah, when I look at it, like I said, it's very easy to apply, right?
Yes,
You can
right.
just put it and then oh that's it. Because when it
Yeah,
comes to bandage, you have to fix.
yeah, yeah.
Yeah, remove some
Yes, right.
cover and things
Yeah,
like
I hope.
that.
Yeah, it should be commercialized and then I can buy it. But I think
Mm-hmm.
it's the problem will be the cost of this product. I think it's very expensive
Expensive.
because yeah,
Ah.
it's made of some kind of protein and then well processed.
I see.
Yeah.
Right. Oh, it will be very expensive. So
Yeah.
that means this should be used for like major kind of wound, right? Like
Yes,
big
right.
wounds, a major.
Mm.
Yes. Oh, I think this is also good for people. Do you think it's also good for like operational wound?
Yes, right.
Yes. Okay. Yes. And have you had a wound before? Tell me what happened.
of, of course, lots of wounds, small and normally small. Yeah, I got caught by knife or sometimes broke glasses
All right.
and even by papers.
Oh, yes.
Sometimes that's the
Right.
yes, right, most painful, yeah, material when you cut them.
Yes. Right. Actually,
Yeah,
sometimes also when I'm flipping some papers, I didn't notice that it actually
yeah,
create a wound. Right. I will
yeah.
just notice that when I saw the blood because oh, where did I get this? Right. And it's from
Yes, right,
papers actually.
exactly.
Okay. So how do you treat your wound? What do you usually do when
uh,
you have a wound?
Usually I put some plastic bandage on my wound. We call it
Mm.
just a bandage. Yes.
I
So
see. Right.
recently, when I was young, if you got cut, then if you put some kind of bandage and then the blood was normally stop in a short time and then blood will be solidified.
Right.
And then after several days later, if you put take off that solidified blood, then you can see the cured skin. But
Right.
actually, I realized I recently lots of bandage company they say it the case in the case they could make some kind of a permanent scar. So you should
Oh.
use just some kind of humidity hydrated
Mm.
bandage.
Hydrated bandage?
Yes, right.
So what's that?
Hydrate bandage, if you put the bandage on your on your wound,
Mm-hmm.
then it's like a waterproof.
Waterproof bandage. It
Yes,
will not be
right.
wet.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Then
Mm.
under the bandage, your wounded wounded skin will be re-healing. Yeah,
Mm-hmm.
without
Right.
any solidified blood.
Blood. Oh, I
Yeah.
see. Oh, interesting.
Yeah.
Right. Yes. Because for me, sometimes if it is just small wounds,
Yeah.
I don't put bandage on it. I just let it like that.
But you could get infected by something, or there will be so also be some scar, permanent
Right.
scar will be left.
For me, major wounds, yeah, of
Yeah.
course, I have to put a bandage. But small ones,
Yeah.
the ones cut by paper or something
Yeah.
accidentally, I
Yeah.
don't usually. I just let it like that. It's just like
Yeah.
here. Yes,
Yeah.
I had a wound here, and I just
Yeah.
let it.
Yeah. Yes, right. It's also very good to believe your own healing mechanism.
Right, and it healed. Actually, yeah,
Yeah.
especially if it is not exposed to too much dirt, then I think it's
Yeah.
okay.
Yeah. Good.
Right, yes. Interesting as well, right? But I really hope, yes, that
Yeah.
this could be affordable for people,
Yes, right.
yes, as well.
Okay.
Mm. Right. Anything to ask about your article?
No, everything is okay.
Okay, well then, if you don't have, thank you so much for having a class with me. Can you have a class on Tuesday?
On Tuesday, maybe, maybe.
Okay. Yes. Well then, I will see you next week. Okay.
Okay.
All right. Have a good rest.
Okay. Bye
Bye.
bye.